Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Tailwind theme customization for brand step by step clearly. To activate Tailwind theme customization for your brand, start by ensuring you have the Tailwind CSS framework installed in your project. If you haven't installed Tailwind yet, run the command npm install tailwind in your terminal. Next, create a configuration file by executing npx tailwind init. This generates a tailwind.config.js file in the root of your project. Open the tailwind.config.js file in your code editor. In this file, locate the theme section. Add a new extend object if it doesn't exist, to customize your theme without overriding default settings. Within the extend object, define your custom colors, fonts, and spacing according to your brand's design guidelines. For example, to add custom colors, structure it like this: colors, primary, #your color code, secondary, #your color code. Save your changes to the tailwind.config.js file. Next, ensure your CSS file includes Tailwind's base, components, and utilities by adding these directives: at Tailwind base, at Tailwind components, at Tailwind utilities. Now, make sure your project is set up to build the CSS using Tailwind. If you're using PostCSS, confirm that you have PostCSS configured to process your Tailwind CSS file. To build your CSS file, run the command npx tailwind/src/input.csso/dist/output.css. Visit your project in the browser to see your Tailwind theme customization in action. Confirm that your custom styles reflect your brand's identity by inspecting various elements on the page. Based on your adjustments, continue updating the tailwind.config.js file as needed. This process allows for flexible and efficient customization, ensuring your brand's design shines through. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.